Good morning again. We didn't end the vlog again last night. But we basically just got food and then came to this Airbnb and then we watched the Dawn Wall.
Good. Oh, shoot. I talk so bad. The Dawn Wall, we watched it. Good documentary about climbers on El Capitan.
Which we saw yesterday.
Capitan. That's how they all pronounce it, huh?
Yeah,
Capitan.
Capitan. But anyway, this is a really good Airbnb. I look like I don't have a neck.
Yeah, this is a good shot of us looking like we've been on the road for 2 weeks.
Well,
look at my eyes.
I know, that's what I said. You look tired.
I look brutal. I look like I've aged 10 years. Which I have. Since I was 16. I've aged 10 years.
Good one.
Tell them what else you want to tell them.
Oh, we're going to Lake Tahoe today. We're staying there for 2 days.
And they're supposed to get snow.
And it's supposed to snow all day.
It's supposed to start snowing right around when we get there.
And then all day tomorrow. So yeah, this place is it's small, but it's mighty. There's a little kitchen area over there, coffee maker, microwave, toaster, fridge.
You're wearing a couch.
Yeah, there's a couch right here with all of our stuff on it. And there's a TV, there's some plates and stuff over there, and there's the bed, so you're in bed watching the movie. And then there's the bathroom in there, and then there's a closet in here with some games. So yeah.
And chickens outside.
And there's chickens.
Chickens outside. And good vibes.
Chickens outside and good vibes. Look at this lake.
Oh, wait a minute.
Wow. Or is it a river? Is it a river?
Oh, I think it's a reservoir.
Lake. A reservoir.
Reservoir.
We're on the drive to Lake Tahoe. And we are in the El Dorado National Forest. National Forest? I think. It's pretty, and Mike's yelling at me because he said I'm not vlogging enough.
I'm not. It's your vlog. It's your vlog. I just don't want you to forget.
But
As long as you know what you're doing, I just was reminding you. That's all.
so we're pretty much up here.
We are pretty much up here. We're at 6,000 feet now.
6,000 feet. 6,000 feet up here, to be exact.
Probably higher now.
Now we're going even higher. Here comes the snow. Well, I guess more like we're driving into the snow. But now it's gonna start snowing a little bit. So we are up here. I believe that's Lake Tahoe right there.
Either that or it's the other big lake
Or
around
it's
here.
the other lake. Yeah, pretty cool view. That's pretty cool. There is the lake.
So big.
So big. Wow, you even see it up in the front too, because it's so big. Emerald Bay.
That's pretty pretty.
It is pretty pretty. Wow. See, it's snowing on the other side of the lake. Now you see houses. There's the lake. So we're in Lake Tahoe. We checked into the motel. And Mike wants to walk down to the lake. He's ready to go. I'm taking too long. I have 2 pairs of pants on, and I feel like I'm walking super stiff. Like,
yeah, I got my leggings on too.
it's really cold.
It is. Well, you got to think too that the sun's setting.
Yeah. Setting, it's gone.
Well, we never really knew when it set because the cloud cover.
Yeah.
But I mean, it was setting at 6 in Cali. Okay, it's right around 6 now, but we're in the mountains, so it's got to be.
Ooh. Ooh.
I love it. I know it's freezing cold, but I just like it. It's just beautiful.
Yeah.
What a gorgeous lake.
Huh.
That is something so amazing. It's not normal.
My favorite thing is how you can see the snow
That's so
over there. But it's not snowing currently over here. Because it's
There's nothing.
such a big lake.
It is. What is it? 18 miles. I think it's like 18 miles long. It might be longer than that. 28 miles. That might be right. Yeah, 28. I think this is my guess. Look at my. I look so goofy when I wear hats like this, and the air's blowing it. I think it's 22. Maybe it's 22 miles or 28 miles long, and 10 miles wide. But we gotta look it up. All right, stay there. Don't turn it off.
I am. My hand is cold. Why?
Why did we come to a lake in the winter? I got a better question. Why are we taking a road trip in February and March? All right, well, those clouds are super cool. Look at those clouds. Look at them.
Look at those clouds. Look at that. Seriously. Look at them. Seriously.
Hey, you want to go to the casino?
My eyes look really blue though.
I know, because the colors here. It's a very gray area, I feel like.
And it makes
There are some. What do mine look like?
poop.
Oh, brown. Hey, cool.
Well, there's some more storm clouds over here. And I think this snow is getting closer.
It's getting dark.
So, we're gonna go back. There's, oh, this stupid headband keeps falling off. Hold on. Okay, I can take it back now.
Okay.
We're gonna go to a laundromat because, oh, where am I going? Because I have a lot of dirty clothes that need done. So, we're gonna go do that. It's slippy.
Yep. Tell them from the berg.
You're a bird?
You tell them from the berg.
Oh yeah. I'm from Pennsylvania. Okay, we're in the laundromat. The washing is done. It's in the dryer now. While we've been waiting here, we booked the rest of our Airbnbs for the way home. And yeah, so now our plan is set in stone because we didn't plan the whole trip before we came. But it's all good now. He's stealing my dance. Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday, I believe, the 10th. We are still in Tahoe. We're staying here today and then overnight again, and then tomorrow we're heading to Salt Lake City. Mike went to get an oil change in the car just because we had been driving for so long. So it's just like a little hotel room. There's 2 beds, a couch. All of our stuff is spread out everywhere, so don't mind that. There's a little TV on the wall, some closet space, a little kitchen area, and everything's stocked with like dishes and silverware and stuff. A little mini fridge in here. And then here's the bathroom. Again, just a simple bathroom. I love the floor of the shower. It has like little rocks, like stones. It feels good on your feet. But yeah, so it's just little, but it's super cute. I really like it. They have these things and they smell really good. The weather said it was supposed to like snow all day today, but so far it's just sunny. There's some snow on the ground. Mike's back. Wow. He said everything is all good with the Jeep.
What was it called? Oh, hang on. Oh, wait, hang on. Hang on, we got this. Hang on. There's ooh, hang on, we got it right here.
Oh my gosh.
The Auto and Tire Doctor Express Loop. Auto Doctor Express Loop in Truckee. Thumbs up. If you're in this area and you need vehicle maintenance, they are appointment. It's a great spot.
So now we are going to a little trail type thing.
River walk sort of thing.
River walk area. It's on the Nevada side, so right now we're in Nevada. But yeah, we're just gonna go out, get some fresh air, enjoy the sun and the cold and the lake. So we're walking on this path.
It's like a bike trail.
It's like a bike trail. It's pretty nice. And there's this view of the lake. You can't see the other side. Looks like it's snowing over there. So over here it's all happy sunshine. And then you look over here and it's dark, scary snowstorm coming in. Kinda spooky. So, the snow is getting closer. It's kinda spooky because it's so like thick. You can't see anything really. But then it's just like you look over on this side and it's all like cool. So it's definitely coming closer. So we're turning around and going back to the car because I don't really want to get stuck walking in snow, if you know what I mean. We need to come back here whenever it's not winter, in the summer, because the older I get, the more I don't like the cold and the snow. Also, I'm used to pine cones, I see them all the time, but these ones are huge. Look at that one. Look how big that pine cone is. Look at how big that is.
That is large.
It is the biggest pine cone. Storm update. It's getting closer. We've seen a couple of flakes flying in the air.
We're gonna drive through that because the spot is.
Yeah. I don't know if you can see it, but it's starting to snow now.
Here comes the snow.
I'm getting bored over there.
Yeah, this documentary sucks.